Hello geometry students, today's learning target is to talk about congruent triangles. If you look at the two triangles, we can see that angle A and angle L are congruent. They both have one tick mark, so angle A is congruent to angle L. Also, angle B has two tick marks. It's congruent to angle M, so angle B is congruent to angle M, and then angle C here is congruent to angle N. You can see they have the same tick mark. So angle C is congruent to angle N. Likewise, for the sides, we have BC with one tick mark is congruent to MN. So BC is congruent to MN. Then we have AB with two tick marks is congruent to LM. And three tick marks, AC is congruent to LN. Now if I scroll up and look at the notation, notice angle A and angle L are the first letters, so these are the first letters. Angle B and angle M are the second letters. And angle C and N are the third letters. So the first letter goes with the first letter, the second letter goes with the second letter, and the third letter goes with the third letter. If we take a look at the sides, if I were to take the first two letters, AB, that goes with the first two letters, LM. So in red, we have the first two letters here. Go with the first two letters. Then we have BC. Those are the second two letters. They go with MN. So here we have the second two letters. And then for AC and LN, those are the outside letters. So if you weren't given a picture, you still can tell by the congruent statement, and let's take a look at the next problem. So in this particular problem, I didn't give you a picture. So the angles, the first letter goes with the first letter, so I'm going to say angle I is congruent to angle B. The second letter goes with the second letter, so angle N is congruent to angle A. And the third letter goes with the third letter, so angle K is congruent to angle D. When we look for sides, we take the first two letters and we go with the first two letters, so IN is congruent to BA. Then we take the second two letters, they go together, so NK is congruent to AT. And then we take the outside letters, so IK is congruent to BT. And I'm going to do one more quick example here. Sometimes people use three letters. So if I have triangle INK is congruent to triangle BAT, I could say, for the red, I could say angle INK is congruent to BAT. angle BAT. I want first, second, third. For the blue, I could go angle KIN, so I did third letter, first letter, second, congruent to TAV. So I'm saying the third, first, second letter, third, first, second letter. And then for K and T, I could say angle NKI is congruent to angle ATV. In this case, I did the second, third, first, second, third, first.